In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a Wix premium subscription from your dashboard. We'll move through the process together so you know exactly where to click, what to expect, and how to confirm the cancellation is complete. Start on your computer by opening any web browser and heading to wix.com, then sign in to your account. If you manage multiple sites, pick the one you want to work with and click Select and Edit Site. This opens that site in the Wix editor so you're in the right workspace. Don't worry, you won't need to change your design here. We just need access to the account tools tied to this site. Once the site loads, you'll be redirected to your Wix dashboard. This is the control center for everything related to the site. At the top of the page, find the search box labeled Search for Tools, Help, and More. It's the quickest way to reach your billing and subscription settings without digging through menus. In the search bar, type the word Cancel. From the results, click Premium Subscriptions, which may appear under Tools and Settings or a similar section. Wix will open a new tab showing your subscription page. Here you'll see all premium plans and paid services associated with your account. It's normal to see multiple items, such as site plans, domains, mailboxes, or apps, so take a moment to identify exactly which premium plan you want to end. Scroll through the list and locate the specific premium subscription you want to cancel. On that subscription card, look for the three-dot menu in the top right corner and click it. From the drop-down, choose Cancel Plan. Before moving on, double-check that you've selected the correct site and plan to avoid canceling the wrong service. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking, "Are you sure you want to cancel your premium plan?" Click Cancel Now to proceed. This starts the cancellation flow. In most cases, your site keeps its premium features until the current billing period ends, but the plan won't renew. Next, Wix will ask, "Why do you want to cancel the subscription?" Select a reason from the options provided, then click Cancel Now or the final Confirm button you see to complete the process. When it's finished, the page will update to reflect the new status. If it doesn't show right away, refresh the tab. You should also receive a confirmation email for your records. Keep in mind that domains, apps, and other services are billed separately, so canceling a premium site plan won't automatically end those. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.